Okay. Good morning, children. So let us learn how to construct circles. Okay, children. For that we need a compass. Okay, and a pencil. Pencil is been already adjusted to the compass. Yes. Then in this compass we have a needle for here. We have a needle. A needle is there. So also called as a pointer of the compass. So another end is been attached or been fixed with a pencil. Okay. So children, after this compass we have a needle or a pointer. One side we have a pencil fixed here. So and we take the scale, or we can also call it as a ruler. This is a ruler. Yes. So if I want to construct a circle, if I want to construct a circle of radius, you think of radius 5 centimeters, children. Constructing circle of radius 5 centimeters. So what I can do here, I should take this pointer to the 0 mark of the ruler. Yes, I am taking it to the 0 mark of the ruler. What I am taking, this whatever we call it as a pointer of the compass, I am taking it to the 0 mark of the ruler, and this another end, pencil end, I will take it to the exactly 5 centimeters. Yes, one end of the compass means pointer is at the 0 point on the ruler. Another pencil end of the compass is at the 5 centimeter on the ruler. Yes, now this is 5 centimeters taken from by the compass. I should not change anything. Just keep it on the paper. Yes, go for the encircling. Go for making circle with 5 centimeter radius. Yes, correctly. Yes, I have done a circle of radius 5 centimeters. Yes, now this is more than enough. Whatever this I have taken, the pointer, so this pointer mark, I can mark it as O. What is this O, children? O is called the center of the circle. Yes. From here, what I will do, from the center of the circle, that is nothing but O, I am going to join a line segment from the center of the circle, that is O. I am going to draw a line segment which can join the circle, which can join the circle. Yes, so this line segment which is joining the circle, so this point I can name it as anything, A. Yes, I can name it as A. So A, what I can tell, A is a point on the circle. Yes, A is a point on the circle. You can draw any number of, let me tell you one more important, O and A. So this OA, they have been joined with a line segment. So this OA I can call it as is a line segment, or we call it as very important, that is radius. So the line segment which is joining the center of the circle and the point on the circle, center of the circle and the point on the circle. So that line segment, we call it as the radius. Radius is a line segment which is going to join, which is going to connect the center of the circle and a point on the circle. Yes. Then this radius, any number of radius I can draw, children. I can draw here from center of the circle to one more point on the circle. Yes, I can name it as one more. I can draw this radius. So many, how many you want, you can draw the radius from center of the circle to a point on the circle. Yes, I can name it as OB, OC, OD, OE. So all these, OA is equal to OB is equal to OC is equal to OD is equal to OE. All these are called as the radius. What is the, how much is the radius? That is nothing but 5 centimeters. 5 centimeters. All the radius are equal. All the radius are equal inside the circle. So radius means a line segment which is going to join the center of the circle and the point on the circle. So now it is 5 centimeters, children. 5 centimeter circle. One more circle I will do. One more circle I will do. Now you can see I will draw. I will construct a circle of now 4 centimeters. Yes. Pointer is on the 0 of a ruler and the pencil end is at the 4 centimeters on the 4 centimeters on the scale. Yes. Now this is 4 centimeters. No disturbing the compass. Yes, we can construct now a circle. Yes, circle is constructed of radius 4 centimeters. So the central point I can call it as O. O is called center of circle. So one point, let it be here anything. I will join the center of circle and the point on the circle. So let me name it as anything, you can name P. So what is OP? OP is radius. OP is radius of circle. So what is the measurement of OP? OP is, how much is the OP radius? How much I have taken? 4 centimeters. So this is how, children, we can construct circles of different radius, children. Thank you, children.